Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Netzero email account. Netzero is an internet service provider based in Woodland, California. In order to log into Netzero email account, click open a web browser and in the URL box, type in my.netzero.net. Press the enter on your keyboard soon after that. You'll end up in the official website of Netzero, which looks like this. In order to log into Netzero email account, you can see a blue button right here. Simply click on the blue button that says sign into email. Now, on the next page, type in your user ID. And in case you've forgotten your user ID, you can click on this link right here that says forgot your ID and follow the instructions to look for your Netzero ID. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on create a new account and register yourself to a new account first. After entering the correct credential, click on the next button. On the next page, you'll need to enter your password for your account. Type in your password into the password text field. Make sure to enter the correct password while logging into your account. If you want to stay signed in, then check this box right here that says keep me signed in. But if you are using a shared device or a public device, make sure to keep this box unchecked. Type in the security code that you see above. If you can't read the security code, then you can ask for a new code by clicking on load a different image. Simply go type in your code after that, and once you're done, click on sign in. In case you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, then click on forgot your password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After entering all the credentials needed, click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into Netzero email account in no time. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.